Hey there, welcome to the garage. Let's talk Rock Auto just a minute. Do you love them or do you hate them? So Rock Auto is not a sponsor of this video. It's where I buy some of my stuff from, and I know that there's kind of a love-hate relationship. Some people really like Rock Auto, some don't. They've had bad experiences. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I can tell you what I use them for and how I save money because the the shipping costs with Rock Auto can really eat you alive, right? So if you order a single oil filter, for example, $6 or $8, and then the shipping is going to be $10 or $12, that doesn't make sense. So what I do is I order in bulk. Order all of my consumables, oil filter, air filter, and then I do brake pads and rotors and that sort of thing. I don't know that I would ever order extremely critical components. I mean, brakes and oil filters are critical, but I don't know that I'd order like a camshaft or an oil pump or something. But I will say that ordering in bulk for the consumables is really the way to go. I ordered this particular shipment was it's 4 oil changes for 2 vehicles, 2 for my F-150 and 2 for the CRV, oil and air filters, and I got all of this tax and shipping included for $68. So for me, it works. You tell me, does it work for you? Do you like Rock Auto? Have you had a bad experience? I've only had to return one thing. And it's because I ordered the wrong thing. I ordered brake rotors for the rear instead of the front. And I wasn't going to need them for a long time. So I sent those back and I thought, man, this is really going to be bad. The shipping to ship them back was only like $12 and they're pretty heavy. So that was surprising. I've not had any bad experiences. If you know what you're ordering, you know what you're looking for, and you have a and you can order in bulk, then you can save a bunch of money doing your own maintenance and ordering your stuff through Rock Auto. So I don't know. You guys tell me. Let me know if it's good for you or bad. But anyway, thanks for watching, and go change your oil. Have a good day. See ya.